Comelec's recipe for Monday's nationwide electoral fair is in place. The kitchen is set and all the ingredients laid out, and the chefs are ready to cook and ultimately serve their eager patrons. Our Luisa Erispe dwells on the to-do list checkboxes the poll body has crossed out in this report.
The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is almost done with its preparations for the 2025 national and local elections. As a matter of fact, COMELEC says they are done with the final testing and sealing of the machines used for the local absentee voting, and they are 99% successful with the testing and sealing for the whole country.
Kuya, 99% na po as of kagabi ang lahat ng nakapag-final testing and sealing sa buong Pilipinas sa 94,000 na presinto meron po tayo.
The poll body also assured there will be no power outage during the elections. They have managed to coordinate with the Department of Energy, or DOE, to ensure that all power grids will be active and that schools will have enough supply of electricity on May 12. But as a contingency plan, COMELEC also secured batteries for the automated counting machines.
At ginagarantiya sa atin ng Department of Energy, walang parte ng ating bansa ang mawawala ng kuryente sa araw ng eleksyon.
There are other matters that COMELEC needs to resolve, such as the withdrawal of 30 electoral boards to serve in the elections in BARM and Cotabato. But the poll body has assured this will not affect the elections in the province, as they have already deployed personnel from the Philippine National Police as substitutes.
Cotabato, 10 at ibang parte ng Bangsamoro, 20 sapagkat related sila o kung hindi man may karamdaman, kaya hindi sila makakapaglingkod. At dahil dito, pumasok na po yung plan B natin, which is gumagamit at gagamit tayo ng mga PNP personnel na pamalit doon sa mga electoral board members na hindi po makapag-serve.
With 4 days remaining before the election day, COMELEC gave a few reminders to candidates. On Saturday, or May 10, the campaign period will officially end. And on May 11, there will be an election liquor ban. And on the election day, distributing sample ballots within the school vicinity is not allowed and may be considered vote buying. Candidates are also advised not to roam around polling places. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.